dear precious. Yeah? So, now let's all join our voices together to sing a hymn that we all know. And I want you all to sing with us. Arga Tuka Somya, everybody.